Hello, my foodie lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this beautiful dish. Hope you enjoy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy. Welcome to Simlewkreative Creative Kitchen, where creative hands create magic. Hope you enjoy the show. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am so sorry that I haven't been posting enough videos, but I really hope that you do enjoy this one. I will certainly try my best to post more videos as much as possible. Now, today I'm going to be making this honey garlic salmon. It's like a honey garlic salmon. Right now, I'm just putting some seasoning on there. It's a mixture of fish seasoning, garlic salt, black pepper, and seasoning salt. All right. My salmon is well washed with lemon, and I'm just pretty much rubbing the seasoning because I'm going to cook it right away. I'm not going to leave it overnight to marinate. You can definitely do that, but I'm not doing that today. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you step by step how I get this delicious dish here going. All right, so it's all ready to be cooked. All right, so I'm moving on to the next step. Okay, so here we have the crushed garlic. You definitely need that crushed garlic. Butter. Okay, we have the honey and some lemon juice. You need that lemon juice to cut all the rawness out of that salmon. You know how fish can get. So here I'm going to melt the butter. I'm going to melt it all the way out. Yes. Okay. All right. And once I get this butter all fully melted, it's ready for the next step. So right now it's fully melted and I'm ready to add my crushed garlic. Man, the smell of garlic and butter is amazing. I cannot cook without garlic anymore. It's like everything have to have garlic in it. So right now I'm just going to saute the garlic and get ready to add my honey. Because definitely you have to add the honey before you add the lemon juice, because that lemon juice will have everything popping in your face. So right now the honey is being added and you can see that it's getting a little thick, and I just want to get it like caramelized, and you will see that at the end. All right, so I did added the lemon juice, and right now it's going to get a little bit frothy. That is normal because that's what happened with lemon juice and honey and butter and all that. So here it is. It is all caramelized and it is ready for the salmon. So now you can just place the salmon in one by one. You want to kind of space them out a little bit because you don't want them sticking together, because salmon does stick together, especially when you put them in the oven and you put them too close. All right. So right now you want your stove to be on medium, at least medium high. You don't want it to be on high because garlic and butter and honey and all that will definitely burn quickly. Guys, this smells so good. All right, so look at this. What I did, I cook it 5 to 6 minutes on one side, or it could even be less, but if you want to put a time on it, I would say 5 to 6 minutes, and then you're going to flip it over to the next side. Once you see you have this nice golden look, it is not burning. It might look a little burnt, it is not burnt. It's just nice and golden. All right, and then once you get it, you flip it, and it's nice and golden. You want to start kind of scraping the gravy and kind of pour the gravy over it so that it can be more juicy, because you want your salmon to be juicy. All right, so it's not done here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it over to a parrot dish to put in the oven, because we want to broil this for at least 2 to 3 minutes just to give it that finishing golden that look and taste. So it's not all about the look as well, it's about the taste, and as good as it look, it tastes even better. I can tell you that. So yeah, this is the finishing touch really, because right now it's going under the oven, and yeah, just gonna, that's it. That is it right there. This you can serve with white rice, mashed potatoes, whatever you want. All right. So I really hope that you do enjoy this video. Remember to share, tag a friend, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Take care, my friends.